These today's huskies will bring you a good laugh. So let's go. The first day of raising husky. Wow, husky is so cute, so beautiful, give me a hug. 1 month of raising husky. Is this you biting it? 1 year of raising husky. Takes heart medication. Don't think that husky can be bullied.
Uh-oh.
Disaster always comes faster than me.
What? Oh no!
The consequence of sleeping in on the weekend.
Okay, you're still lying there, right? So I must use this solution.
Okay, let me tell you why I'm still single. I initially always take husky with me to attract girls.
Oh, so cute. Can I take a picture with him?
Normally this is my husky meal. Dog food, snack, vegetable, functional food, lecithin, dog nutrition cream, probiotic powder, seaweed powder, grilled meat.
Nice.
Today I asked my friend to take